Hello traders. In this video, we are looking at the Q spread indicator for MT4 and MT5. This tool is designed to display the current spread on your chart so you can visually monitor trading costs and changing market conditions in real time. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow the DLL imports. Alright, so we have it installed. If you look closely up here, you can see it in yellow. The Q spread indicator typically appears as a small panel or text display on the chart, showing the spread value in pips or points. The display updates as bid and ask prices change, so you see the spread widen or tighten as liquidity and volatility shifts. In quiet conditions, the spread reading may stay relatively low and stable, while during news events or thin liquidity, the value can expand, visually reminding you that trading costs are increasing. Some versions may also use color changes or formatting to highlight when the spread exceeds certain thresholds, drawing attention to less favorable conditions for entering or exiting trades. As for the indicator settings, alright, core settings that usually allow you to choose where the spread display appears on the chart, such as top left, top right, bottom left, or bottom right. There may be options to show the spread in pips or points, depending on how you prefer to read the value. Visual settings lets you adjust font size, color, and background style, so the spread panel is easy to read without cluttering the chart. As for who is for, the indicator is useful for any trader who wants to stay aware of real-time trading costs, especially scalpers and intraday traders who are more sensitive to spread changes. It is purely an informational and visual tool. It does not execute trades or manage positions, and it does not predict spread movements. Spreads can still widen suddenly due to market conditions, and the indicator only reports what is currently being quoted by your broker, so it should be used alongside broader risk management and awareness of news events. The download link is in the description below. You can read more about the Q spread indicator and other tools at the Forex Geek. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.